Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of printing blank labels from stamps.com. I'm not going to do a step-by-step walkthrough, I'm just going to show you how to fix it. So first thing, if you already have a label you're trying to print, the best thing to do so you don't have to cancel it or request a refund is to go ahead and click reprint up here where it has the tracking number and everything. When you reprint it, you'll save it as a PDF, and then you can print it from Adobe Reader or some other PDF software. I have a video for that. I'll link it down below. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments and I'll help you out. So what you do to fix this is you just come up to print on and you select what you're actually using. You may have already selected, but for some reason stamps.com is going to revert it from time to time. Same with your address. You might want to keep an eye on that. So once you do that, you go ahead and print a new one, and it will go ahead and print to your thermal labels as it should have in the first place. All right. If you do have more questions about this one, I'll be in the comments and I can help you out. If I need to make a proper walkthrough video, just let me know and I'll take care of you guys. Thank you.